frank and revealing yourself to others. Some of your aspirations are unrealistic.
Riding in the whip that I found, we in the back streets, running from the blue lights, blowing past the cameras, trying to find an angle we can hang with that'll help us disappear. Pedal to the floor, fuck the piggies in the rear view. Bars getting near too, cutting out the frame, we kill the lights and disappear into the maze. Circus getting closer when they think we can't hide, off into the sticks and we impossible to find. Cooling in the whip that I found, we in the back seat, chilling in the moonlight, looking for my camera, trying to find an angle we can hang with when the choppers reappear. Kick it into fifth, fuck the spinners in the rear view. Spotters getting near too, running from the blaze, while the sirens singing sermons for the chase. Cliff is getting closer, there's a cop on each side. Step into the brakes and watch two pigs fly. Lilo, slow down time, kid. Hop into the whip, keep driving. Off into the nighttime riding. Let you with the keys when the sun starts rising. Lilo, slow down time, kid. Hop into the whip, keep driving. Off into the nighttime riding. Let you with the keys when the sun starts rising.
Am I supposed to say that everything's okay when you've been acting so damn low? I just can't see no way for us to stay the same. You'll never complete me, so fuck the games you play, homeboy. I ain't your sweet escape. No possibility that we can